Hey traders, this is Greg McLeod here from the 50 to 50K challenge and the Samurai Sword strategy. And here we go. This is part 2 of our video. We got long New Zealand dollar at 57.54. And this is Samurai Sword breakout strategy, a strategy that we use in our $50 to $50,000 challenge to help people compound their accounts super fast in 30 days, 30 trades to $50,000. And it's compounding from a $50 account. Just a live trading challenge that uses your live trading. And guess what? You can cash out anytime you want. There are no rules. There's no consistency rules. And you're dealing with, depending on where you live, you're going to have access to $25,000 of capital with only a $50 deposit. Okay. So here we go. We're already up in our $12.80. So like a 1-to-1, right? So we're going to move our stop into profit, right? So we're going to lock in about $3 in profit, $3.20 in profit. So if we're stopped out, we'll make $3.20, right? But the goal is to get double our risk. We were risking 12. We're looking to make 24.30 on this trade. And so price continues to break out and move higher. Okay. So there we go. Price is moving in our favor. We got long at 57.54. We're already at 57.67. And so we're moving on up, right? We can even trail this stop a little bit